Today we're going to be learning about Inkscape. This is how we're going to be creating our logos. So what I'd like you to do is first of all have a look at how we can navigate around the actual screen itself. So what we're going to do is there's many ways to scroll around, and I'd like you to try this with me please. So first of all, what we can do is you can press the Control key and the arrow keys. So if you hold down Control, you use the up or the down arrow, left or right, then you'll see that you can navigate around the screen so that you can actually center your stage or your page, which is on the middle of your screen. To zoom in or out, what you're going to do is you're going to use the plus and the minus keys at the top of your keyboard. So by pressing minus, it will get smaller, and the plus, it will get bigger. Don't worry about using the shift key. The equals key works just as well with the plus key. Click, move to the right, move to the left. So just use the plus and the minus to scroll in and to scroll out. As you can see on Inkscape, you've got your toolbar which runs down here, and these are lots of different tools that we're going to be using along the way. So we'll be discussing those in a minute. And when you want to save something, you can click on File, obviously Save As. Make sure that you find your area. Okay, generally you save your work in Network N. For me, it's a little bit different, but can you please find your area? And can you please save your work in a folder that you're going to create called Inkscape. The document that you're going to be saving is going to be an SVG file. That is a scalable vector graphic. Okay, there's a big difference between vector diagrams and your bitmap type diagrams, and I'll explain that in a minute.